Welcome back to Crypto Moonshots. So happy to have you guys back. If you're new here, welcome. Hi. So we're gonna jump right into it, but before you do, man, the Ecomi community is so supportive, and I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And yeah, man. So let's jump straight into it. So yesterday, right? Yesterday, I was telling you guys, and I normally look at my videos just to see like what I said and what I predicted. I told you guys that this line of support is not that strong, right? Because we only tested it once. As support, we only tested it once. And then later on in the video, around the 6-minute mark, and you can go watch it. And yes, I do like my own videos. You can go watch it. Around 30 seconds later, I told you guys, would I buy right now? I said no, right? I said no, and I said if the candle forms below these lines, that it's gonna come back down. Now, is it gonna come back down to, completely at the 0.008 level? Who knows, right? There's a chance, but if you're looking to buy right now, this is around the area I would buy. This is around the area I would buy, right? I don't think that it's going to go below 0.008. I really don't think so, okay? And that's just based off technical analysis. Obviously I can be wrong. A lot of people are trusting me to be right every time. I hope I don't let you guys down, but yeah, I don't think it's going to go below 0.008, okay? I just don't think it's going to happen. I think if you're looking to buy right now, this would be a great buying opportunity, in my opinion, right? This is just, I'm trying to be objective. I'm not trying to be biased. I'm just like from a science standpoint of technical analysis, this would be a good time to buy, okay? Even right now is kind of a good time to buy, because what it could do is it could go up. So if you want to play it safe, buy right now. If you want to wait and get it at a cheaper price, then you take that risk. But what I think is going to happen, maybe it might not hit this line. This is where I set my buy limit, and if I miss it, I miss it. But like I said in my previous videos, I like to play things safe, right? I don't like to just throw my money around everywhere. So that's what ended up happening, guys. Now, if it comes back down, or let's just say whatever, it stays, doesn't really matter. It's it's a minor change, but from this area, right? From this area, I honestly think, guys, we are due for another run. That's what I think. I think with this coin, we are due for another run. It came on Uniswap, didn't do too hot. It's these exchange listings are hit or miss, because sometimes they come on and shoot up like 500%, and then sometimes they come up and people sell. So buy the rumor, sell the news, I guess. And towards the end of the video, by the way, we're gonna be talking about the market cap and what if I think $1 is realistic. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So just finishing up, not too much has changed in technical analysis standpoint, but I think we're due for another run. I really do think so. And I think maybe if we consolidate, right? Maybe if we consolidate, I doubt it's going to hit this twice, maybe once, right? But there's a possibility it could just go up here, okay? And I think I told you guys, it hit this line of resistance once, twice. I think the third time we're through for sure, right? I'm just assuming at 1.2 cents, okay? I think we're going to cross that line, no biggie, right? And if this goes straight up, because look, let me show you. So sometimes things just go straight up, right? Like right here, this just goes straight up. It just goes straight up. Right here, it just goes straight up. It doesn't really consolidate. If this was to go straight up and not go boom, boom, boom and come back down and then go up and down, if it was to go straight up, I think there's a real possibility that we could pass this line. That we could pass this line of the all-time high of 1.3 cents, right? If it was to consolidate, if it was to kind of dip back down, I think we're going to get rejected at this level. If that was to happen, I think we're going to get rejected at this level, and then we might stay between these two lines and then go back up, okay? Whoa, I have a lot of deleting to do, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So why can't I delete this? Okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think we're due for another run. I'm very bullish. I think right now is a good buy opportunity. Again, like I said, you guys can wait if you want to play it safe. I don't think we're going to be coming any lower than 0.008. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's that. So let's get into a little bit of, if we can hit $1, okay? And I'm gonna close this tab real quick. So I want to kind of get into that, right? So basically, I did a bunch of research for you guys because I know it's a burning question. Everyone's like, can it hit $1? Can it hit $1? And that question within itself, when something's at 1 cent, the instinct is like, okay, if the market cap is at 1 billion, right? If it was to do 100x, it'd be at 100 billion. It'd be at 100 billion, right? Let's check. So if it was at 100 billion, that would make it the third biggest coin. Okay, that would make it the third biggest coin. Okay, I hope I'm looking at the numbers correctly. Yeah, 1 billion, right? If it was to do 100x, so if it was to go from 1 cent to $1, which is 100x, and this was to do, if this is 100x, this is 100x, right? So that would be at 100 billion. And let's look here. So Bitcoin is 1 trillion, Ethereum's 240 billion, BNB is 52 billion. So it would be the third largest coin as of right now, right? Now, by the end of the bull cycle, let's just say everything doubles. So let's just say, BNB doubles, Ethereum doubles, right? It'll be worth like what? Oh, wow, that's actually crazy. I just noticed that we're way above, not way above, but above 2K. Let's say it doubles, right? So this would be at 100 bill, BNB, right? Let's say at the very peak of the bull cycle, okay? This is going to be at 100 bill. So, and then people were saying in the comments, and I was like, I don't think it's going to hit $1. And people were saying, well, the tokens are burned and stuff like that. So I went and read the white paper for you guys. And I did a lot of research, okay? I'm not going to say how much time I spent on it because it's looking embarrassing, but there's just like a lot of information out there, and it's kind of hard to figure out like what's truly going on. So, yeah, man, I love you guys. You guys are the best community, so I did it for you. So here is my honest opinion about that, okay? So I read the white paper, and if we scroll down, let me see. Actually, let's talk about this. Okay, so on their website, they have a token tracker, right? So they have a burn wallet, right? They have a burn wallet, and basically, I can't find it here, but basically, there's 2 or 3 different numbers being thrown around about the circulating supply of the coins. Okay, the circulating supply is 166. What is that? Is that billion? Trillion, right? Whatever, 166 trillion. Okay. Is that? Oh my God, what is that? No, that's billion. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. 166 billion. Okay. So someone on Reddit made this Google sheet, right? That kind of tracks how much of the tokens were burned. Okay. And as we can see here, if we look from all the way from 12-2-2020, so in what is that? So 3.5 months, 2 billion coins were burned. 2 billion coins were burned. Okay. And again, there's a lot of numbers being thrown around on Reddit and on the white paper itself. But let's just stick with the CoinGecko. Let's just say there's 166 billion circulating supply. Okay. And only 2 billion have been burned in around 3.5 months. Okay, and let's say the bull cycle lasts till the end of 2021. So let's say 10 billion. So that's a good number. If we're on this pace, right? Let's just be optimistic and say 10 billion tokens or coins are going to be burned. Okay, if 10 billion coins are going to be burned, this is going to come down to 156, right? Guys, it's not going to make that much of a dent in the price. Okay, it's not going to make that much dent in the price. Like it's going to go up for sure. For sure, it's going to go up. Maybe 10%, 10 to 15%, just from the burning of the coins. It's for sure going to go up, right? Think about it this way. If we were to burn half these coins right now today, how much would the price be, right? If let's say it's 1 cent, it'd be 2 cents because we're burning half the coins. So it go from 1 cent to 2 cent, right? So in order for this to do 100x, the market cap would be around 100 billion, right? And let's say only around, like, we gotta be realistic, right? We gotta be realistic. So 2 billion have been burned. Let's say optimistically 10 billion is going to be burned by the end of the bull cycle. Is $1 possible? And I say no. I say no. I'm sorry, but that's just what I think. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not going to be like the other YouTube channels, right? And I've mentioned this several times, and that's why a lot of you guys subscribe to me, because I'm going to be dead honest with you guys. I don't think $1 is possible, all right? Could I be wrong? Absolutely. Anything can happen, right? Now, do I think 50 cents is possible? Possibly, right? Possibly. Do I think 20 cents is possible? Absolutely. Absolutely. No doubt in my mind that 20 cents is possible. No doubt in my mind. Do I think 30 cents is possible? Probably. Yeah. I could see that. I could see that. You know, it's picking up traction. You know, Vivi is the #1 NFT app. So I could see that. I could see it, you know, 20, 30xing. Maybe even 50xing. Do I see it 100xing? Hell no. I don't. I'm sorry. But I hope what I explained to you kind of makes sense. I know some of you are beginners and this kind of doesn't really make that much sense, but I hope I was able to explain it somewhat well to you guys. But yeah, man, thank you guys so much for the support. Please hit that like, bell, notification, subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.